Welcome to the ICT application week 6. Today we are going to talk about the borders and shading. After completion this lesson, you will be able to understand ways of creating lines, borders and applying colors. Also, you will be able to apply borders and shading to the document, apply background colors and shadings to the document. So let's go to the introduction. When you type a text on your document, it can be dull. Even you applied the different font size, different font color, just it is a text. But to add another dimension, you first go to the basics lines and color. Lines can be joined, form box and be filled with color. In your tutorial, I will show you how to do the adding of colors and adding of lines. Line is known as a border and background colors are known as shading in MS Word. Drawing lines. You can find in your Home tab there is a group called Paragraph Group. In there you can find borders applied to block of text. Borders and shading. Dialog box allows you to change the line styles, line colors as well as line thickness of the border. Here I have given you a sample. I formatted with box border. So moving on, drawing lines. In your Home tab, Paragraph Group, you can find this as a border. When you click this drop-down menu, you can get various patterns of borders. Bottom border, top border, left border. Likewise, you have various formatting commands. If you want to do more, or if you want to do the formatting of your page or to your text, you can further find borders and shading option at the latter part of your drop down menu. In there you can set your border lines, styles and also you can change the colors and change the thickness of your border. Apply borders and shading. Put a line above a heading. Place the insertion pointer in a heading or a paragraph. Then go to Form Borders command button. Use the drop down menu and choose Top Border command. Then you can put a line above the heading. Apply different borders. Use the preview window in the borders and shading dialog box when you set your line style. Apply backgrounds and shadings. Background can be applied to fill with a color and a pattern. Pattern includes a styles and color. This can be found in your shading tab. Here I have given you a sample. I will discuss more during the tutorial. In this short tutorial, we are going to look at the borders and shading options. If you want to have a border, you can find it in your Home tab, Paragraph Group, shading. Here this bucket like symbol, we call it shading option. You can change the color behind the select text paragraph or table cell. In here borders, you can add or remove borders from your selection. So I'm going to give box border for this text. Border, box border. I will use this style. I can give the color. Here I will give. I can change the width. Select like this and select OK. Here you can see the border appears like this. So if you want to have a border to differentiate your title and the paragraph, you can use this bottom border. In there also, when you go to this border and shading, you can select the style and color, so to have, and the thickness. You can get like this. And if you want to shade your text, select using any of these color options, you can shade your text.